Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys must aware about that I am Madhu. Today I'm back with another eminent personality, Shahid. So you must have seen the previous conversation with the Shahid. So this is the second time that we've been connecting. It's been a quite a long time. So hi Shahid, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. How's it going?
Yeah, it's going fine. And thank you so much joining on me today. So it's been like quite a long time that we did not talked. So how's you
Yeah.
feeling right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. It's nice to talk to you again. It's been a long time and I was
Mhm.
busy, and I think you seemed busy as well because we shared some text once in a while
Yes, yes.
and we both were busy.
Yeah.
Now, let's get started and have a nice talk.
Yes, yes. We we both got some work's busy schedule. That's the reason that we did not connect. So somehow
Yeah.
it's a great time that we're gonna talk about something more interesting in this conversation. Before moving to the further things, again we need a brief introduction about yourself to my audience.
Yeah, I would love to introduce myself to your audience. Your audience are great. I read your comments sometime, and they're always supporting you. They have your back, and
Yes.
it seems like you are helping them significantly with their career and what to do and what not to do. So, my name is Shahid Obed. I'm a mechanical engineer. I work as a freelance mechanical engineering content writer. I also work as a part-time online English
Oh,
tutor. I help English learners improve their English speaking skills in one-on-one sessions.
oh, nice. That's
Yeah.
really great. So you're still continuing that.
Yeah, I'm still continuing that. In fact, I'm doubling down on that. So earlier I did not have many students. Now I have many students, and I also got verified as a tutor on Preply. Do you know Preply? It's an American edtech company which hires tutors to work independently, and it charges on
Paid.
tutors fees. Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's really
Yeah.
great. Like you take a great initiative towards your teaching journey, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what are the basically things that you do in your teaching? Like how the things would be going on?
Yeah. So I help anyone who needs to improve his speaking skills and grammatical skills, and who needs to expand his vocabulary through natural conversation, especially working professionals. So here is how it works. When they join my classes, I tend to evaluate their speaking skills and their grammatical skills and the kind of words they know. In their trial sessions, I provide a free trial session always. And
Oh,
on the basis
nice.
of that, I tailor my session differently for different
Okay.
students. It's not like I have a definitive way of teaching them. It
Mm-hmm.
depends on their level. So assume someone can speak English a little bit. He has grammatical knowledge. He also knows
Mm-hmm.
words, but he struggles
Yes.
with speaking skills and fluency. He don't know how to use words spontaneously and how to structure sentences articulately and fluently. So what I do is I ask them questions and I let them speak, blurt out their mind, and I just listen to them attentively. And whenever I pick up or pick out any mistakes, I correct them in a way that is very easy to understand and comprehend. And therefore, they are able to avoid making those same mistakes again. They are able to avoid it completely.
Nice, really such a
Yeah.
great initiative again. So last time we had connected, I've seen many kind of mistakes in your communication. Now you can frame the sentences so correctly, and you're speaking absolutely correct. That you became a trainer
Yeah.
though, so I
Thanks.
can't judge you. Okay, Shahid, bro. First, let me know where are you from, and how is this going in your locality, especially. Like, is it